Mediterranean type of climate. What is Mediterranean type of climate? It is also known as warm mid-latitude western margin. It is also known as warm mid-latitude western margin type of climate. Warm mid-latitude western type of climate. What do we mean by warm mid-latitude? Can somebody tell me the degrees? That is from 35 degree to 45, let's say 45 to 55. So it is warm mid-latitude. And I say it is western type of climate. When I say it is a western type of climate, that means it is found on the western region of a continent. So if this is a continent here, okay. So if this is 0 degree here, this is a 30 degree, okay, warm mid-latitude on the western side of the continent. On the western side of the continent in the warm mid-latitude, let's say 35 to 45. You will have this. You will have the Mediterranean climate. So it is a warm mid-latitude western type of climate. That is, it is found on the, therefore it is found on the western portion of the continent. It is found on the western portion of the continent between 35 degree and 45 degree. Now, why does it get the name of Mediterranean climate? It has got the name. It has got the name as Mediterranean climate because it is seen along the areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. In the areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, we have this type of climate, and therefore it is called as the Mediterranean type of climate. Other name is warm mid-latitude western margin climate. Warm mid-latitude western margin climate. Now, if I show this in the world map, basically I am referring to the locations. Where is this climate seen? Where is this climate seen? So if this is your Africa here, okay, this is the Mediterranean Sea, okay, along your Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya. Okay. The name of the countries is Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya. Okay. And in the Europe, it is found along France, Italy, Greece, Spain. Yes, Portugal too. France, Greece, Italy, Spain, Portugal. Okay. How do you remember it? You can write like this: FIGSP, FIGSP. France, Italy, Greece, Spain, Portugal. Okay. This is the major region where this is found, where the Mediterranean type is. But it is also found at other locations in the world. So, in North America, it is also found in your San Francisco region, in the San Francisco region. It is also found in the central Chile, in South America. In the South America, it is also found along your central Chile. Okay. And in the Australia too. In Australia too, you have region of the Mediterranean climate along the Melbourne, Adelaide, at Perth, and also in some regions of the New Zealand. In some region of the New Zealand too. Along South Africa also, along the Cape Town. Along the Cape Town. In the South Africa too. So where do we have? Majorly we have around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. So where do we find? We find along the Mediterranean Sea in the Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya, right? And in the Europe also, you have France, Greece, Italy, Spain, Portugal. Along the San Francisco region, along San Andreas region, along the Californian region, you have this climate. We have in the central Chile, also, and in Australia, we have around Melbourne, Adelaide. These are the name of the cities: Melbourne, Adelaide, and Perth. Perth is also a name of the city along your Australia. Melbourne, MELBOURNE, Adelaide, EADELAIDE, and you have Perth. Okay. Yes, in some regions of New Zealand, Auckland Peninsula ke paas. In New Zealand, you have near the Auckland Peninsula. So what is Mediterranean climate? It is the warm mid-latitude, the western margin type of climate. Where do you find it? Majorly, you find it along the Mediterranean Sea. And the other regions where you have it in North America, South America, Australia, and your New Zealand. A quick look, if you want to look at the regions around the Mediterranean Sea, here you can look at this. Here, this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay? This is the Mediterranean Sea. You have Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya. Right? I am saying I have not referred to Egypt in the Mediterranean climate. Why? Because Egypt is on the eastern side. This is of the western side. Then you have at Spain, France, Italy, Greece, regions of the Mediterranean Sea. This is your Mediterranean Sea and the countries. Why am I showing this image to you? Is because in your prelims examination, 2 बार Mediterranean Sea पे question आया कि कौन सी countries open होती है Mediterranean Sea में और नहीं. We will solve that also. For that, hold on. पर अभी के लिए have an image of where is the Mediterranean Sea and the countries nearby. Right. This is about the and if you want to have a look at the Mediterranean climate in the world, here is the image. Here, can you see the purple color? This purple color. You have this as the major region. So along the California, along your central Chile, this is the Cape Town. Okay, surrounding the this region, the Mediterranean Sea region, you have along the Melbourne and along the Perth. So along the Melbourne and the Perth, this is the area where you have the Mediterranean type of climate.